Welcome to your full body beginner workout. No equipment needed, just your body and 10 minutes of movement. This routine will help you burn fat, build strength, and boost your energy. Let's get started. 6 exercises, 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest, no equipment needed. Let's begin with jumping jacks. Keep your movements light and steady. This is a great way to warm up your entire body and get your heart pumping. Rest for 20 seconds and grab some water. Time for squats. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself as if sitting in a chair and push back up. Engage your core and control your movement. Rest for 20 seconds and take a deep breath. Now let's build upper body strength with knee push-ups. Keep your back straight, lower yourself slowly, and push back up. This is a great way to strengthen your arms, shoulders, and chest. Rest for 20 seconds. You're doing great. Next, we have standing knee raises. Bring your knee up to your chest one at a time while engaging your core. Keep your balance and focus on controlled movement. Rest for 20 seconds and stay hydrated. Time for glute bridges. Lie on your back, lift your hips towards the ceiling, and squeeze your glutes at the top. This move strengthens your lower back and hips. Rest for 20 seconds and take a relaxing breath. Final move. Sit on the floor with your legs extended, then lift them slightly while engaging your abs. This is an excellent core strengthening exercise. Keep going. Amazing job. Now let's cool down with some light stretching and deep breathing. Take a moment to relax and let your body recover. That's it. You've completed this full body beginner workout. Do this 3 to 4 times a week for great results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more workouts. See you in the next session. Subscribe now and check out more workout videos.